Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well and staying safe. This video should be quite exciting. We have been making some changes, so sit back and enjoy. So let's have a chat about the plan and what's happening in here. We've just found that this bed, as practical as it is for when guests come and stay, it's not practical for Olivia. She really doesn't like this bed, purely for the reason that she says is that because it's made of metal, it's quite cold. So I'll go with that, it's fine. But another problem that we have had, and something I didn't anticipate, is she enjoys climbing onto the bed and then onto the windowsill, and it's just so unbelievably dangerous. Like, the windows actually don't have like locks on them, so she has been like trying, see my neighbour's washing, she's been like trying to open the window, and in the morning I also like to leave the windows like slightly ajar to like air them, and I came up here one day and she was like about to climb on the windowsill and literally my heart just like stopped. So we've made the decision to have a switcheroo. The plan is that we've got her new bed that's here, and I'm now going to dismantle this and put the new bed together. And we're going to also move this wardrobe over to the corner over there, because I just think that that's going to look better and work better for her. It kind of gets her away from the window too. I just think the window is like drafty as well as everything else and scary. So yeah, we've got some big changes happening in here, and yeah, I'm really excited. So I just think the only way that I can really do this is to just put you on a time lapse, and we can just film it. So I'm going to start by dismantling this bed, and then I'm going to take that all downstairs. My mum is having this bed, which is exciting for her because she's having some work done at her house. So this is going to be a kind of like guest bed at her house, and yeah, I'm going to put Olivia's new bed together, but I will show you the space halfway through and how I'm getting on.
To have fun, you see, I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know a thing. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time.
So that's the bed taken out of the room. I'm just going to have a quick whiz of the hoover over the carpet just to tidy up that a little bit. I mean, it's only been a few weeks, it's already filthy under there. I just need to pick these up, and then I'm going to take everything off the top of there and probably some of the contents out of it and shuffle it over to that side. And then it's going to be the moment of truth with the bed. So I'm quite excited, and I'm also really excited to show you the bed because I think you're going to like it.
They don't know a thing. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up.
Okay, so the wardrobe is now over by the window, and I feel so much happier about that now. She definitely will not be able to get up there, so that's really, really good. I'm kind of thinking I might get like a radiator cover just to cover up the radiator and add a little bit of decor that end, but that's for another time. And then her new bed is going to go here. I've put an extension cable in because the new bed requires some electricity for some lights that I'm adding to it. I know this bit is still unfinished. We kind of got away with it because we had the wardrobe there, but I think we can still get away with it because the new bed is going to have a canopy over it. So I'm hoping we can get away with it, but otherwise I think I'll have to go and buy like some more of the, well, actually I found another piece in the garage, so maybe I'll just actually cut that and do it. Just laziness on my behalf. So yeah, I'll finish that off and sort it all out. But yeah, the room this way, and now I'm gonna go and get her new bed and start putting that all together. Okay, I'm just sitting on the floor and I've got all the pieces upstairs. I took it all apart downstairs and carried it up because I just like to do things on my own sometimes. So yeah, this is my job for the day. So inside here are all the instructions. I'm a big fan of flat pack furniture. Sometimes I do it really well and other times not so much. But this is the bed that we are making. How exciting is that? This is such a good bed for a little girl. So I've got great ideas. I actually sort of found this idea from another account who I will tag. So if you would like to go and follow her, you can. She has the most beautiful home. But I will tell you more about her in a minute. So this is kind of like a house bed. I've seen a lot of people have these at the moment. So yeah, I'm really excited for Olivia to have one as well. This is a single size, so it should last her a long time. But yeah, so I just need to follow all the instructions. It looks pretty easy. Everything is like numbered. You can see, kind of. Can you see? I think you can. Anyway, so it's all numbered and it's just a case of putting it all together like a puzzle. I will also tag below where this bed is from. It's from Wayfair and I think I paid like £150 for it and it literally came within 2 days. So if you need a new bed, this could be the one. So let's get building. So I've built the first bit and then now I've realised that actually it's too wide for here, so I'm gonna have to take this down for tonight and then tomorrow I will put that up just slightly more over, which isn't really a problem. We'll work it out, it'll be fine. But yeah, I'm gonna build the rest of the bed. So yeah, it's looking good so far. I got a bit confused, so I'll now put you back on the time lapse to see the rest of it.
To have fun, you see, I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die.
So the bed is up and all of those little tiny screws have been screwed in and it's looking really, really good in here. I've put that back up. It actually could stay because of the slant in the bed, and yeah, I'm really pleased. The next job now is to dress it. I'm gonna put her mattress and stuff on it, but I've also got some voile that I'm going to be adding to it to make like a drape over the back, so I'm hoping this is going to turn out right. I think I might actually need to get some more, but yeah, we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to use these little things to stick on the back so that I can put some curtain wire along the back of the bed, and then I'm going to loop the drape through, but I will set you up and talk you through it as I do it. So it's actually been a couple of days since I last spoke to you, and Olivia has been sleeping in here, so I temporarily put up this piece of voile over the top of the bed like I sort of discussed with you before. I didn't have enough because I wanted to have a more gathered look like that, so I have ordered another one which has arrived. This was just from eBay. I think I paid about, gosh, I think it's about £7 or something like that for 3 meters, so it was a really good price. And then, like I said to you, I've got this curtain like cable and some screws and stuff that I'm going to use to attach it all, so I need to do that today with you, and I'm hoping it's going to be quite easy. So what I'm going to start off by doing is taking this piece of voile off, and then I want it so it's like so you can't see the voile, so I'm going to put it along the back here and just attach it either end, and yeah, that is the plan. So I will now set you up and we will go through it. Okay, so what I've done is I have cut these down, or cut the wire down, and then I've put these hooks, can you focus? I've put the hooks in the end so I can attach it. And then I'm now going to get these, which are like got little sticky pads on the back, and I'm going to stick these all the way across the back just to kind of give it some support so I know that it's not going to drop. I really hope this works. Okay, so my first plan didn't really go, so what I've done is added one halfway, and I've cut the wire in half, so I'm going to hang one drape on one bit and one on the other, and hopefully that's going to ease the tension and these won't sag as much because they were sagging and you could see them. So yeah, I'm going to try that now. So the voile is attached, and I'm now going to add some fairy lights in between the layers. I did get fire retardant voile, so I paid an additional cost for that, but to me, for peace of mind, it's worth it. So yeah, I'm just going to tackle untangling all of these and then hopefully get them all kind of intertwined between the voile. So that is the whole process with the lights now added. What I did was I put them running along the same line as the cable, can you see? And I just threaded them over so that they kind of don't have any too much like sag on them. And then they are running all the way down I still didn't change that because I didn't need to. They are running all the way down there, and they're gonna hang on the other side of that as well, you can see. So my next step is to get this voile and fold it back over the top, and then it should make a beautiful light up canopy. Let's see. And there we have it. It kind of, what should we call it? A princess canopy? Something like that. So my next job now is to get this room all dressed up and get the bed made, and then I will reveal the whole look. And this is the finished look. This is Olivia's new princess tent bed, and I just think it looks so pretty in here. So much better than the other bed. This is far more suitable for a 4-year-old, and she absolutely loves it because she has been sleeping in here for a couple of nights now, and she just says it's so special. Obviously only tonight or today have I put up the canopy, so I'm gonna try and record this evening her reaction and hopefully add this onto the video when she sees it with all the lights out, so it'll be an opportunity for you to see it as well. But I am literally over the moon with how this has come together. It's just so pretty and it looks beautiful. She is going to be so happy, especially when all the lights are turned out. So it was really, really easy to do, to create this kind of canopy effect. The bed itself, again, was really easy to put together, and I will obviously link everything below, where the bed is from, where I got the voile from, the lights, literally everything. So if you'd like to shop this, you can. But yeah, this is the finished look, and it's also got a beautiful Princess Jasmine bed sheet on there, so she is going to be delighted that her bed is fully princessed. But yeah, I think it ties in really, really nicely, and it just looks super cozy. The perfect little bedroom for a little princess. So this is how the bed looks once the lights are out. It's just so pretty. Look at that. Oh my God, I would love this if I was a little girl. In fact, I love it, and I'm an adult. I would totally sleep in this bed. It's so, so nice. And you can actually change the fairy lights too. So you can have them twinkling, you can have them doing a mad dash, do whatever you like. So it's a proper magical little space in here. And obviously we've still got all of these lovely pieces over here too, looking so beautiful. And she's got like a little O night light, and then this little unicorn is also her night light. So sweet. He actually lives there, don't he? Live there. But yeah, this is now the whole room, and I'm so pleased with it. I really, really am. I'd love to insert a caption actually and just show you how it looked before, just a reminder of how it looked way, way before. In fact, I don't think I've ever shared it on YouTube, so I will insert a picture of how it looked before and how it looks now. But so pretty.